This is the unboxing of the Nintendo Switch OLED version. 2 games, the carrying case, and the Nintendo Switch itself. Enjoy. So I got HDMI to HDMI, Nintendo branded. That's good. That's for when you wanna use the dock to play on your TV. That's your charger. I think it will also work when you connect it onto the TV. It's a Type-C port. And yeah. So that's where you put your joystick, like that. And the other side. Yes, I'm not too sure what is this. So that's for that. And this is for this. Oh, I know what it is. If you wanna play, you know, some sports games, and yeah, that's what it is for. I have to say they don't look like they would last too long, and I've already seen some videos with, you know, people complaining about that. Okay, we'll leave it for a bit. We have some instructions. And that's your HDMI dock. Two USB ports. I think that's an LED. And that's where you plug in the dock. And that's it. And the Nintendo Switch itself. I'm surprised to see that it doesn't have a film protection out of the box, which is a bit weird. It's a bit heavy. It's not really heavy, but has a bit of a weight on it. So that's your volume rocker, power. That's where you, for the games, the game card. That's fine, I'll open that later. That's your vents for the fan. This is something you open, so it will stand on its own. It's quite nice to see. And that's pretty much it. That's how you charge it with the Type-C. And let's just power it on. I have to say I've never had a Nintendo. This is my first time. And I just have no idea how you release this. Yeah, you press that button and you release it. This little button. Okay. Let's see if it has any power. Oh, we have. Feels really nice in the hand. So you have this, that. Oh, I have to say, the screen is amazing. Do you know, I was actually thinking it might not be as good as it is because of this. It's just 720, but it's just really, really good. Yeah, so I'll have a play and enjoy it. So yeah, that was the unboxing video of the Nintendo Switch OLED. Thank you for watching.